Hello everyone, friends, on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to fix an error. Connection timed out. In Minecraft, right-click on Start, then click Connection Network Yes. Here click Advanced Network Settings, select Network Reset and click Reset Now. That's the first step. Try playing after this. Restart your computer. If that doesn't help, then open Command Prompt. Now type in here ipconfig. ipconfig, then type flush DNS and press enter. After that, try playing again. If that didn't work, let's try the next thing. Click Start. Now click View Network Connections. Yes, right-click the connection you're currently using to connect. For me, it's Internet 5. I right-click Properties, where it says IP version 4, click Properties, and here click Use DNS Settings. So we write here 8888844 and press. Okay. After that, we try to play again. But if that doesn't help, the only thing left is to go into the firewall. Yes, into Windows Defender Firewall. Here we go to Allowed Applications. There. And here we need to find, accordingly, everything related to Minecraft. There. And check the boxes here. There. Like this. Accordingly. To do this, click Change Settings and check the boxes. Next, you need to find a process called Java. There. And also check all the boxes here. This can also help you. Everywhere you see Java, check both private and public. There. And after that, restart your computer and try again. That's all. This was Weller. Bye, everyone.